Hello and welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel, where we share tips and tricks in just a minute.
Hi everyone, today I am going to show you or to teach you how to see logged in device on your Amazon account. So please open your Amazon account, just type down on the search bar and then you can see there, click on it, Shop Amazon. Okay, so you are now redirected to your homepage. Just click your profile and then your account. After that one, proceed to manage content and devices. Okay, and you can see there content, devices. Click on devices and you can see there devices. So you just need to click the devices that will show and then click the deregister it, and that's it.
Please like and subscribe for more content, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. We'll see you next time.